Alright guys, everybody keeps asking me, how do I do my borders? Where do I put my hook? You know, there's so many places on the side of your project. Where do you put your hook? Where? So I'm going to show you today where I put my hook in order to do the border. So first I start at the top and I'm going to go through the 2 loops right there. We're just going to do a single crochet border. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to go through the next stitch and then the next stitch here. And in the corner I like to either do 2 or I'll do 4 depending on how pointy or how rounded I want that corner to be. You keep going in the same stitch. So that's my corner there. Now here is the side and it's like kind of bubbled, right? So everybody's like, where do you put your hook and how do you make it look so even? Well, if you see these rows right here, they're in 2s. So 2, 4, 6. So there's actually 2 rows here. So what I like to do is I like to go into, so you see how this is a row here? I'm going to go right into that kind of bubbled section there and do a single crochet. And then the next space is going to be right here, which is in between the 2 rows. Right there. Then I'm going to go right here, right in between the 2 rows. And again, I'm going to go right here. And I just keep going back and forth. So between the 2 rows and in that space. And if you do this, you should have the same amount of rows by the end. So if I have 70 rows, I should have 70 stitches. So you're going into, you can call them like, you know, the crops. So crop, space, crop, space. Hopefully that makes it easier for you guys.